Hello, guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, I will explain the novel The Great Gatsby. F. Scott Fitzgerald, 1925. It is an amazing art piece of literature. Before starting, it is request, kindly please must subscribe to my YouTube channel. The Great Gatsby, written by F. Scott Fitzgerald and published in 1925, is a classic American novel that explores themes of wealth, decadence, love, and the American dream. The story is set in the summer of 1922 on Long Island, New York, and is narrated by Nick Carraway, a Yale graduate and World War I veteran who moves to West Egg, a wealthy suburb of New York City. Nick becomes friends with his mysterious and enigmatic neighbor, J. Gatsby, who is known for hosting extravagant and lavish parties at his mansion every weekend. Gatsby is a self-made millionaire with a mysterious past, and his sole motivation is to reunite with Daisy Buchanan, Nick's cousin and Gatsby's former lover. Daisy is married to Tom Buchanan, a wealthy and arrogant man who is having an affair with Myrtle Wilson, a working-class woman. As the narrative unfolds, Gatsby's elaborate and opulent lifestyle is revealed to be a facade constructed in pursuit of the American dream and his unrequited love for Daisy. The novel explores the hollowness of the pursuit of wealth and the superficiality of the Jazz-Age society. Fitzgerald critiques the decadence and moral decay of the upper class during the Roaring Twenties, illustrating how the pursuit of the American dream can lead to disillusionment and tragedy. The characters in The Great Gatsby are complex and symbolize different aspects of American society. Gatsby embodies the American dream and the illusion of success, while Nick represents the observer and commentator on the events around him. Daisy and Tom Buchanan symbolize the moral and social decay of the wealthy elite, and Myrtle Wilson represents the consequences of the pursuit of materialism. The novel reaches its climax with a tragic turn of events, involving a fatal car accident, betrayal, and the exposure of Gatsby's true identity and background. The story concludes with Nick's disillusionment and the realization that the American dream is an unattainable illusion for many. Fitzgerald's writing is characterized by its lyrical prose, vivid imagery, and exploration of the human condition. The Great Gatsby is considered a masterpiece of American literature and is widely studied for its exploration of themes, symbolism, and its portrayal of the Jazz Age. The novel continues to be relevant today, offering a timeless critique of the pursuit of wealth and the elusive nature of the American dream.